Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a game changer for all you MacBook users out there. We're diving into the IVANKY MacBook Pro docking station with a powerful 180W power adapter. Let's explore how this docking station can transform your MacBook experience. First things first, compatibility. The IVANKY docking station is compatible with a wide range of MacBook models, including the 16-inch MacBook Pro, 14-inch MacBook Pro, 15-inch MacBook Pro, and 13-inch MacBook Pro, among others. Now, here's an important note. Due to inherent limitations in the 2020 M1 and 2022 M2 chips, MacBook models featuring these chips are not capable of supporting dual displays. However, models like the 15-inch MacBook Pro, 16-inch MacBook Pro, and MacBook Pro with M1, M2 Pro Max chips do support dual 4K displays at a smooth 60 Hz. Let's talk connectivity. This docking station is a powerhouse when it comes to expanding your MacBook's capabilities. With 4 USB 3.0 ports, you can transfer files at lightning-fast speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That means you can connect a plethora of external devices without worrying about sluggish data transfer. In addition to the USB ports, there's also an SDTF card slot that supports speeds of up to 104 megabytes per second, making it perfect for photographers and content creators. And don't forget about the RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, which ensures a stable and speedy 1000 megabits per second Ethernet connection. One of the standout features of this docking station is its fast charging capabilities. With a robust 180W power adapter, it can efficiently charge your MacBook at up to 96W. That's rapid charging to keep you going without long wait times. But it doesn't stop there. The docking station also features an 18W PD USB-C port, perfect for fast charging your iPhone or other compatible devices. IVANKY understands that time is precious, and they've got your back when it comes to efficient charging. Safety always comes first, and IVANKY knows it. This docking station is equipped with over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and short-circuit protection, ensuring complete safety during fast charging. Your MacBook is in good hands. Now, here's the cherry on top. IVANKY stands behind their product with confidence. When you purchase this docking station, you get a 12-month worry-free warranty and responsive customer service. If you encounter any issues, they're ready to replace your unit with a new one, no questions asked. In conclusion, the IVANKY MacBook Pro docking station is a powerful accessory that can take your MacBook to new heights. With its compatibility, lightning-fast data transfer, efficient charging, and safety features, it's a must-have for MacBook users. If you found this review helpful and informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Stay connected, stay charged, and we'll catch you in the next one.